Hello everyone, it's a Monday afternoon, a chilly one at that, and today we're going to talk about what the real winners do. Go down to Miami, rent Bentleys, and spend the summer in the Miami sun. No, I'm just kidding. Today we're going to talk about how I survived the winter, what kind of planning that involves. And when we first started this vlog back in March, we were just coming out of a winter that got really brutal for some reason in March. And now we're heading back into the winter months, and there's so much planning involved in this phase to make sure that we stay busy for the whole month, whole winter I mean. And today I'm going to show you how we're doing that at 3 different job sites. Plainview 2. So I brought you guys here a couple episodes ago, and obviously we got the foundation in. We're setting up the main I-beam and the floor system, and then we're gonna get all this dirt backfilled, clean up this whole property. We got the 2-car garage here. The driveway is gonna come around the side. That's the front of the house over there, and that's the main living space. So in preparation for the winter, obviously you gotta get that foundation in because it's terrible to try to pour concrete when it's 20 degrees outside, and get the structure sealed up. So basically, I'm trying to get this floor deck in today and tomorrow, backfill later this week, and then the goal is to move the framers straight from Hicksville 3 to Plainview number 2 so we can get this building structure up and get it enclosed with some Huberwood Advantech subfloor and zip system for the walls. And this way we'll be watertight, and even if we can't get our siding done, we can continue work inside. I am pleased to announce that for the first time on this vlog, I am introducing all of you to Plainview number 3. And basically this one is a little different than some of the ones I've been doing lately. This is a serious renovation, and I'm gonna dormer over the garage and do some new peaks and a new roof line, but this is not going to be a crazy rear extension, huge reconstruction. I'm basically gonna convert that garage to a family room, build a detached garage in the back, dormer this up a little bit, make it a more interesting roof line, and make it so that it's more appealing and a little bit bigger, and without spending a fortune, because this was going to be a little tight. But with respect to the winter, I scheduled my closing date so it's not until the spring, and I have permission to start with my plans, work with the architect, file the permits, and hopefully right around the time I'm closing in March, I'll have the permit in my hand and not have lost any time whatsoever during the winter. This is an interestingly similar flashback to last winter when I was standing on a very similar mound of dirt and gave an interesting monologue about my philosophy of building versus flipping. But this is almost the same exact job. It takes Hicksville 2, big rear addition. With this one, we had the garage already. There's a good footing already there. So we're gonna go over the top of this whole thing. But same concept, rear addition, big second floor, full gut on the inside, restructuring all the walls, the main supports of the house, and a little bit prettier than Hicksville 2. So I'm hoping that this one sells quick and I can have this one framed. Hopefully the weather isn't too bad in January and February. So I'll get this foundation in December, frame it up in January if the weather's okay, and just around springtime, I'll be 100% complete, and hopefully the market picks up a little bit by then. North Belmore is totally ready for the winter. We actually paved this driveway earlier today because the asphalt plants closed down right around Christmas time, so that was crucial. Sidewalk is done, apron is done, we patched the street, and later this week we're gonna put the PVC fencing all around, get a final grade, clean this all up. If I get super lucky, I'll even drop some shrubs in front, define a little bit of a flower bed, clean this all up, fine-tooth comb, and in the springtime drop a little topsoil, sod it up, and hopefully we're in contract during the winter, so I don't even need to really worry about that in the spring. Last stop of the day. Matter Visual is gonna kill me if I take more than 30 seconds. So I actually stole the guys from this job, brought them to Plainview 2 to get the deck in so I can backfill. So Monday and Tuesday, there'll be no action here. But as you can see, this was that crazy foundation that I poured with all that steel. We are rocking over here. In 2 to 3 days after they get back here, I'm gonna have this house fully enclosed, again with the zip system. We got the boards for the roof, the boards for the walls, tape all the seams. We're not gonna be able to do our brick until the summertime or springtime. So, you know, we're gonna be able to work through the winter with that zip system. And again, this winter planning starts in the summer. I'm thinking spring. I was already talking to my friend today, and I'm already thinking March, 90 days from now. I just gotta survive these 90 days and keep rolling. And on that note, thank you very much for watching, joining me on this little frantic journey today. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, please do so. Don't forget to like this video, comment below with any questions or comments you might have. And if you don't already follow me on Instagram, @Pinnacle Real Estate. Thanks for watching, everyone. Let's go, kid. We done.